Okay, this is the GACE test, practice test 023, and we're looking at question number 22. It's asking you to answer the question by clicking the correct response. Here, this is a probability diagram, and this happens to be binary, meaning that either people have the flu or they don't. There's no in between, okay? So these two together have to add up to 100% or 1, which means if this one's 0.35, 35% chance that people have the flu, that means there's a 60% chance that they do not. Furthermore, if they have the flu, there's a 90% chance that they have a high temperature. That means that there is only a 10% chance that they don't have a temperature. All right, lastly, if they do not have the flu, there is a 12% chance that someone has a temperature, which means there is an 88% chance that they don't. Okay, so it asks, what is the probability that a student has neither the flu nor a high temperature? Okay, if they don't have the flu, you can rule those two out immediately, but they also don't have a high temperature, which is that. Okay, so this is the path that you would travel. 0.65 that they don't have the flu, and 0.88 that they don't have a temperature. What you're going to do is take 0.65, that probability, and multiply it by the probability that they don't have a temperature. So what you're going to put into your little calculator is 0.65 times 0.88, too many eights. I told you this, and just be careful. You're seeing me make errors with the calculator because sometimes it puts too many numbers in, depending on how hard I click. I don't know if that's going to be the case when you take the test, but do be careful. Okay. When I multiply 0.65 times 0.88, I get 0.572, 0.572, okay, which means there is a 57.2% that a student doesn't have a high temperature and doesn't have the flu. So that is B.